Let's look at exactly how it comes. It comes in this presentation box that we can see here, okay? I'll just move that out of the way. So we get 4 cameras like this. We'll see there's night vision on them, okay? So this is 20-meter IR for night vision, and there's a mounting bracket for it. So there's 2 bullets like this, and there's also 2 domes like this. The connection on here, if you look, the cable will have it'll have a BNC connection here. This is what runs the picture back to the back of the DVR itself, and then the power here will run from a 4-way power, or there's a 5-way power unit that comes with this. One part powers the DVR directly, and the other 4 feeds on it is directly over to the cameras itself, okay? So this is what has the picture there, and in a moment here, what we'll actually do at this point here is we just have one camera that's been connected there, and I'll just run my hand over so you can see it there. So that'll give both day and nighttime vision on it. Now the cameras are connected directly to the DVRs via this 20-meter BNC and power cable. Now the reason they've gone for this length of cable is, it's actually 18 meters, sorry, but it's more than long enough in the vast majority of houses to run it all the way back. So, and it's pre-terminated, so it's simply you connect in both ends. So you'll screw directly in here like this, connect the power connection, and then on the far edge you just connect directly into the DVR in the similar manner, okay? It comes also with a computer mouse here, which I've just used for doing it here. So there's a couple of steps that come with it here for actually setting up the menu and the passwords, things like that. You'll be prompted to do that and driving through, and if necessary we'll add additional videos onto it here. What we really want to do at this point here is just give an overview of how you come and view this here. So we'll have things here like a multi-view here, so you can go for all 4 cameras together, or you can just bring up onto one time. The vast majority of time people will be using the remote viewing feature on it. That's our general experience of it.